Alright, now if you need to create a new media object, I never recommend creating a new one from scratch. I always recommend reusing an existing one. Now what I mean by that is we have a duplicate feature inside of AuthorIt. It is a beautiful thing for designers to be aware of. Right? Duplicating creates a mirror image of an object, gives it a new object code. So they're separate objects, but the properties are the same. And then once you duplicate that object, you can then make changes to that duplicate. Alright, so let's say we want a special module section media object for our training manual. So what I would do is go to my media objects, select the media object that most closely resembles the properties for my module section. I'm going to say it's the chapter section media object. And I'm going to duplicate this media object and then make changes to it. Alright, so to duplicate, we'll go up to Manage, and then select this first icon here, duplicate the selected object. I can select what folder I'd like the duplicate object to be in. I want it to be in the media folder. Click OK. And now I know my duplicate is this one here because it has the text copy of next to it. So I can open it up now. Let's first change that description from copy of chapter to module. Alright, and then I can go through and make my changes to it. It is a separate object at this point. Notice the object code is 1245. Chapter section is 538. Okay, they're totally separate. So now I can go through each tab, make some changes to it. Maybe I don't want sections to start on odd pages. Maybe I always want them to just be a next page, and then that way I don't get blank pages between sections. Number of columns is 1, that's fine. Let's say that I don't have a different odd and even setup for my table training manuals. Alright. So I've created my media object. I've just gone through and maybe customized some of the tabs a bit. Let's do a background color for fun. Okay. Now the last step here is associate this media object with the object that needs to reference it. So in this case, I want it to be my module topic template. So I'll now go to that template. Let's go to Training, Module Template. I'll right-click and go to Properties. Alright, let's go to the Print tab, and I just want to change chapter section to module. Okay, and I'll do that in all of my tabs here. Okay. I'm going to update 2 objects that are based on this template. Do I wish to continue? Yes, I do.